Dusty roads and golden light. Another Friday night. Small town summer air so sweet. Bare feet on the street. Headed to the drive-in show where the fireflies glow. Didn't know my world was about to change. In just a blink, rearrange. Engine humming, radio low. A shadow starts to grow. Big old truck sitting right there with a boy with sun-kissed hair. Sunset pickup truck pulling up beside me. Heartbeat thump, thump, thumping. Can you see how I'm feeling? Sunset pickup truck, windows down, he grins at me. Summer romance started underneath the willow tree. He hopped out, smiled so wide, asked me for a ride. Said he knew my name somehow, maybe from the county fair now. We talked about our dreams and fears, whispered in each other's ears. The sun dipped low, painted the sky, a perfect moment, just him and I. Engine humming, radio low, a feeling starts to grow. His blue eyes sparkle like the stars, no need for fancy cars. Sunset pickup truck pulling up beside me. Heartbeat thump, thump, thumping. Can you see how I'm feeling? Sunset pickup truck, windows down, he grins at me. Summer romance started underneath the willow tree. Where the cornfields grow, every touch is sparking nights, holding hands beneath the lights. The summer night feels so right, everything is gonna be alright. Sunset pickup truck pulling up beside me. Heartbeat thump, thump, thumping. Can you see how I'm feeling?